This is a 1975 Jensen Healey Roadster. Nice blue color. They discontinued the convertible midway through the model year, and these are getting pretty pricey. 4-cylinder engine, and the port of entry price was $81.95. Nice interior. Of course, at this time they also made the Jensen Interceptor, and that had the 440 V8. But this is the Jensen Healey Roadster 4-cylinder. This year they added a 5-speed manual transmission to replace the 4-speed. And you see evidence of those rubber bumpers that were the result of the U.S. crash test standards back in the day. They certainly did not help the looks of the car, unfortunately.